G'day, I'm Larry from Equip2, and today I'll be showing you how to replace a mesh with a harp screen and an MR5 Portafill screen. So first you obviously want to remove the mesh and then install the harp. So we've got it sitting in here more or less in place, and if you can see down here, you just want to make sure all the strings are not crossed over like they are. So we'll straighten them out and then start tightening it up. So once the harp is sitting in place and you can see the hook through this little slot here, you want to start inserting the banana bar. And there's a critical point about this. You notice the curve. You want the curves to be pointing towards the motor of the machine. So when it's under tension, it's straight and evenly tensions up the wires in the harp. So you may need to use a bar to pull the hook into place, making sure there's a clear opening for the banana bar to exit. Gently tap the bar into place. So once the bar is in place and evenly positioned between the two slots, then you want to start tightening up the nut on both sides evenly. So to make sure the harp is tightened up correctly, you want to check this little gap which is between the banana bar and the hook on the harp. And there should be no gap there. It should be hard up against the bar on both sides of the machine, and that means that the tension is even right across the whole harp. So once you've got it in place and tensioned up and the wires are even, you want to make sure that it's tight, and so the strings give off a ring when they're plucked. So make sure that the tone that comes from when you pluck it is even right across the whole harp, and that means that the tension is even right across for the most effective use. So once you've installed the harp and run up the machine with material, you want to check the tension again after a couple of hours of running material through it, just to make sure that everything's nice and tight. Thanks for watching this video. If you want any extra help or have any other questions, please look at our website Equip2 or call our team. Thank you.